for sure not the video that I want to record, but it's not clickbait. It's not I'm lying or trying to get views, but this happened yesterday, right? This happened yesterday. I was driving to my in-laws house and then something just hit the truck. Here's what happened though. As you can see, I still have the feather there. Was a vulture, came this way. As you guys know, I live like in the mountains, so at night, it wasn't even at night. Well, now with the new time that we have spring forward, was still like light at, you know, outside. But this vulture was huge though. Just to give you an idea, here's intact, like nothing happened here. Here's just like how do you call it, like dirty. So here's intact, like there's nothing wrong with it. He came from the top and he here, and look at what happened. This is my first time looking at, like, after yesterday. I was going to my in-laws house and then I was like, screw it, I'll drive it as it is. Was a little funky, like the way the headlights are. I think I can put this back on. I didn't even open the hood to see the damage, so we're gonna do this now together, and then I'm going to race shop. So I'm gonna need a body shop. Look, there's no way I'm gonna need a body shop. He's cracked it, see, and we're gonna take the feather off, and so I'll show you more the lengths there. So let's see the damage. I hope that didn't hit the hood, which I think didn't do it. But yeah, the headlights are gone for sure. So everything's stuck, so that's how hard he hit it. The headlights broke. Here's broke. This broke. There's let me see if I can take those feather out. But I don't think I can, because it's not going anywhere. I thought I would be able to put it back in place. Probably the brackets of the bumper also got damaged. Yeah, the headlights are gone. Look, I can get water there. I might need new headlights. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So the headlight itself, see, there's one part here. Everything there broke. So yeah, the headlights are gone for sure. There's nothing I can do about it. So I'll leave like this for now. I'll go to race to see what we can do with it. Definitely it's gonna be a body shop work, but at the same time it's good because I'll get this fixed. See, I just unbended that, so I will get that fixed. And also there's a couple things, since I'm gonna take this truck to the body shop, that I want to get done. This thing here has been with me for a while. I don't know if you can see. This was a Jeep. They opened the door here. I'll ask them to fix this, and a couple more things. The truck's pretty dirty though, because, you know, it is what it is. It's winter. Almost over though, almost over. So I'll take to race shop. Also need to show Junior my C6 wing that we're gonna wrap, the new wing. And I upset? Of course I am. It's my truck.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I was taking this baby like crazy. I think I hope I don't need a new grill. You know, if you are a car guy, you understand that just ruined my entire day. But anyway, it is what it is. You gotta make the best of it. It's done. Wasn't my fault. The poor vulture, or I don't even know if I can say poor vulture. I think he died because, dude, that was pretty brutal. And that thing was like was huge. But anyway, there's nothing I could do. I tried to avoid, but dude, it was so, like, all of a sudden there's this huge thing coming my way. Now it's just, I need to fix it. That's the thing. Fixing, I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but I'm quite sure I'm gonna share everything with you guys, and we go from there.
Dude, you got a bird in your truck.
Dude, look at this crap.
I like how you left the feathers.
I tried to pull. I think I need to See, it's super tight.
What? The bumper looks fine.
Yeah, he came from this way.
Actually, your hood.
I think the hood's
I think
fine.
your hood's good too.
This one was bended on him. Oh, see?
Yeah, those are the Avalanche that were bent into that, but they're easy to bend back.
Yeah,
This is not the. But
Huh? I think it was a Vulture.
no, where were you? Coming home.
You know, no, I was going to my in-laws.
How did they crack the inside of your light,
I
but
don't
not
know,
the lens?
dude.
The
See?
light flexed, and the sockets, all the mounts wouldn't move.
So I would just pass the restaurant, and all of a sudden this huge thing came to.
Proprietary
Man,
motor.
it scared the crap out of me.
Because right here, between here and you going home, the pheasants, dude.
Oh, really?
At Huntington Farms there, Hudson Farms, the friggin' pheasants. I almost hit a pheasant the other day.
Yeah, dude.
I know the headlight's gone. I opened the hood. Look,
Oh, it's real fine. Oh, it's good too, actually. The fender.
the fender. I don't know if it can.
Well, the fender, my dent guy might be able to pull that.
Yeah, that may be able to come out. Yeah, you crack the paint
I tried
right
to
there.
pull the feather, just it came out.
Leave the feathers for the insurance company.
Are you going through insurance?
I don't think so. Depends how much that will be.
What's your deductible?
Well, dude, if
It's like 500.
This will fall under comprehensive.
Everything broke.
oh yeah.
Everything's gone. The headlight's gone. I need new headlights.
Well, now you get to build another set.
I know. At the same time, I'm excited. I don't want to do it.
Well, now what you do is try and find a white set. This way you don't gotta do anything.
It's hard to find. Like for Colorado, it's almost impossible. The guy charged me $1,200 to make one, like custom made. I was like, screw it. I'm not doing it. I'll do myself.
Yeah, dude, he could probably get this out, but that paint there might lift.
Well, I think it has to paint the entire thing, right? The entire fender, I mean.
And there's your
We'll wrap
mirror.
the whole truck.
Dude, if I have the
Oh, and we
money,
gotta rewrap this.
yeah, see. Dude, my truck's falling apart.
I don't want to hear it. My truck is
It's your
falling
daily driver.
This shock it's gone. I need new shocks. Like like
Yeah.
there's no shock, you know what I'm saying? But dude, yesterday I was so pissed about this. And I was like, you know, the weather's coming, it's getting better. I'm gonna wash the truck, clean everything up, and this happened. Everything works, like even the headlights works.
Yeah.
But the thing was huge though. I think it was this size.
Yeah, it looks like a turkey vulture.
You hit a damn eagle.
Dude, I was like, my dog she was with me. She was like, she's scared because, you know, I tried to like push the brakes. I mean, I'll fix it.
Whenever I need a windshield, I just call the insurance company. Say I was going down Route 80, I got hit by a rock.
And if I have to fix the entire fender, you know what I'm saying, fix those small things,
Yup.
dude. There's another thing, a freaking Jeep opened the door like on here, and look at the size of the dent that he put in.
Oh, that's
That's
a nice one.
Yeah.
So since he's gonna be on the body shop, I'll ask them to fix those small stuff. Dude, I was thinking like, the first thing I look at was the headlights, of course, and then was the grill. I was like, no, the grill I think is fine. And this one was fine too, because he came from here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? All right, boys, we are back. I got all the information for the shop, the body shop, and now just let's see. I need to fix some stuff on my wife's car before I do this. I'm not gonna do today, but I'll try to pull this back a little bit just to make straight, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. For now, I'm gonna order new headlights anyway, because I will need one, and then maybe I'll just put it on, see the body shop work like schedule, and then try to figure out. At least my grill is not damaged, not at all, not even there. So it is what it is. Sometimes in life you just need to deal with it. It is what it is. As I said, I am sad, but at the same time I just need to fix it. She's gonna be back better than ever, because I'm gonna, you know, take advantage and change a bunch of stuff, or like a bunch of stuff that needs to be done regard to body work, like a little scratch, little dents here and there. I'll get this all out of the way, and then I'm gonna have a chance to work on the new headlights, which I want something different, and we'll see. We'll go from there. And I hope you guys enjoy. It's not what I want to do, but we gotta keep your hopes and or smile. Doesn't matter the situation, right? I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it. Bye.